Introducing the Production Location Tracking feature, a new and streamlined design to make placing and tracking parts throughout the production process easier than ever before. This new feature across our Connected Shop solution allows for the placement of parts from the start of the production process in places such as color offload. Users can easily place parts in predefined locations or create a new pallet record that is also tracked. Downstream for secondary operations in shop floor data capture, a pick list of all previously processed parts is included, making it easy to know what parts and where those parts are needed for the current step in production. Whether it's the start of production process, a downstream secondary operation, or needing to know where parts are to be dispatched for a subcontractor operation, tracking your parts throughout the production process has never been easier.